First at 5, a medical rally brought union members, seniors, and healthcare workers together to protest proposed Medicaid cuts. Thanks for joining us. I'm Rochelle Murcia.
And I'm Lita Folk. Michael is on assignment tonight. The cuts are under consideration in the U.S. Senate after passing in the House of Representatives. Eyewitness News reporter Maria Celeste Alfaro has more.
People gathered around in front of Kern Medical Hospital early Wednesday morning to continue Medicaid protests. All of this as the Senate proposed deeper cuts into the program that millions rely on.
What do we want? Medicaid! When do we want it? Always!
These were the chants heard throughout the rally, some of them calling out Congressman David Valadao.
Cutting health care is too low. Shame on you, Valadao!
Congressman Valadao, along with Vince Fong, voted yes on President Donald Trump's Big Beautiful Bill, upsetting many in Kern County. The bill proposes cuts to Medicaid. According to the Congressional Budget Office, the bill is expected to end health coverage for millions of people. The bill passed in late May and is now in the Senate.
You know what? We were hopeful that this was going to get better when it went to the Senate. It came out of the Senate Finance Committee, I believe it was yesterday, and it's actually gotten worse.
The Senate is making their own changes to the bill, proposing more cuts to Medicaid. Linda Hardman of Tehachapi shared her story at the rally. Her granddaughter, Audrey, was born with a heart defect. Audrey required 3 surgeries, but her parents were only able to get her 2 before they were denied the 3rd one.
My daughter-in-law had to quit her job to qualify for Medicaid. It's one of those decisions that parents will make to save their children's life. It was rough for a while, but Medicaid gave our Audrey that 3rd life-saving surgery.
Despite the sacrifices, Hardman and her family are grateful that Medicaid helped Audrey. Similar stories followed throughout the rally. Guadalupe Martinez of Delano and a member of the California Alliance for Retired Americans says it's hard to qualify for Medicaid. His son, Jorge Martinez, fell ill a couple of years back. He had autoimmune issues that were affecting his health, but unfortunately, he wasn't able to qualify for Medicaid.
He had started off a small little company. Then he couldn't qualify because he was making too much, or he couldn't qualify because he wasn't making enough, and so in the end he got rid of his company.
Martinez made the decision to take his son to Mexico, where he lived for a couple of years while he was being treated. It wasn't until recently that Martinez brought him back to America to get more treatment. This time, they were successful.
Because of this hospital, they went out of their way to get him an emergency medical. He's never had it in his whole life.
Martinez says there's already a problem with trying to get Medicaid, and to add these cuts would make it worse. Protesters are afraid that if the bill passes, hospitals like Kern Medical will be at risk to close down, affecting not only those on Medicaid, but workers and community members. At the state level, Governor Gavin Newsom is proposing his own cost-saving measures to balance California's budget. Those include cuts to Medicaid, including freezing enrollment for immigrants without permanent legal status. Reporting in front of Kern Medical Hospital, Maria Celeste Alfaro, Eyewitness News.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Murcia with Eyewitness News Bakersfield Now on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel where we have tons of great content to choose from. While you're here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button right there. That way you can stay up to date on all the things related within Kern County. Thanks for watching.